Today we're working on the interior of this car, BMW Z4. As you can see, this interior can use some love. It's definitely dirty, it needs a good cleaning. So I have gotten this kit. It's a Lexol Leather regiment. And it should be one of the best, at least that's what I heard from friends and other people that work with cars. Gonna have a cleaner and a conditioner. Let's see what it's gonna take to get these looking brand new again. I'll just give you a little closer look to see how dingy these are. This kit is available on Amazon for under $20. It includes both the cleaner and the conditioner. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have a 8-ounce bottle. Let's see how much we're gonna use for 2 seats and some interior parts. We also have the conditioner, also an 8-ounce bottle. And they give you a couple freebies, I guess. That's it. That's all you get in the box. You get the cleaner and conditioner and the 2 applicator sponges. In addition to what's included in the kit, you will also need microfiber cleaning towels. These are free at Harbor Freight if you have a coupon and buy anything else. So you can go in and buy a $1 item and you'll get these for free. The instructions are very simple. All you're gonna have to do is shake the bottle, open it up, apply some product to the sponge, just like that. So I tried following the instructions, just putting the cleaner on the sponge and didn't do anything. So I put a little bit of water on the sponge, got it nice and wet, and then added the cleaner. So now it's getting foamy and getting into all of those pores within the leather. I'm doing a much better job at cleaning. So I'm gonna rub it all over the seat. If you have like a horsehair brush or anything like that, that would be even better. I just don't have one at the moment. Center console. Now that we have cleaned the leather, we're gonna take another new pad, microfiber sponge pad, and the conditioner, and apply that with even consistency throughout the seat. I have now cleaned and conditioned this side of the car. As you can see, it looks a lot cleaner. It's definitely not perfect. I was expecting a lot of this stuff to come out as well. But comparing to what it was before, I think it looks much cleaner. This still wouldn't come off as much as I rubbed it. A lot of it did come off, but not everything. So let's go ahead and see what we're gonna do to this one. A little bit of water. Lots of cleaner. Let's see if we can make a difference here. Well, after using the Lexol kit, honestly, I'm not very impressed. Sure, they cleaned the seats a little bit, but I was definitely expecting a lot of this deeper dirt to come out with the cleaner. I'm sure the conditioner is capable of keeping the leather softer and nicer to the touch. However, my main concern was getting all the dirt out, and it didn't really do that. Would I recommend it? Probably yes, if your leather maybe doesn't look as bad, or it's not, you know, such a light color. You know, if you need to just keep up your newer leather on a vehicle that you maintain more regularly, it'll probably work just great. As for me, I'm gonna start looking for something that gets in a little bit deeper. If I find a good product that works, I'll post one. I'll make a video, post it online so everybody can see, you know, and get their seats into a really good condition. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.